Yo, can I be real for a second? There are so many small creators out there, holding out with barely anything, editing every day, every night, on cracked phones, broken mics, just holding on to one dream, that one day they'll become a big YouTuber. But the results? No matter how good the video is, y'all scroll, like it's nothing. Bro, if you see a small creator's video, at least like it, or subscribe if you can. You have no idea how much that means, because so many creators quit. Not because they weren't good enough, but because nobody cared. And for all the small creators watching this, use this sound. And let's help each other reach 1,000 subscribers. We all deserve that shot.